Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of handmade wood furniture and decor design ideas that became the new definition of style, sustainability, and timeless craftsmanship creations that worth every penny. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's rapidly evolving woodworking landscape, the value of handmade wooden furniture and decorative items extends far beyond simple aesthetics. They've become meaningful, investment-worthy pieces that blend craftsmanship, sustainability, and emotional depth. In a world increasingly driven by mass production and digital consumption, there is something profoundly grounding about holding or owning a piece of furniture shaped by human hands, wood that still carries the essence of the forest, the marks of the maker, and the timeless beauty of imperfection. Each handmade wooden creation tells a story of patience, precision, and a passion for turning raw material into something that enriches both the home and the heart. And it is precisely this authenticity that makes such creations more desirable and valuable than ever in today's market. The modern consumer no longer seeks only functionality in their furniture. They seek meaning, artistry, and sustainability. Handmade wooden furniture represents all three. Whether it's a rustic coffee table made from reclaimed timber, a sculpted wooden chair crafted with care, or a minimalist decorative item that captures the warmth of natural grain, each piece stands apart from the mass-produced monotony flooding retail stores. The imperfections, the slight curves, natural knots, and visible joinery, aren't flaws. They're signatures of craftsmanship, symbols of originality that cannot be replicated by machines. These details transform furniture from mere objects into heirlooms, investments that appreciate an emotional and aesthetic value over time. What makes handmade wooden pieces particularly investment-worthy in today's woodworking scene is their ability to marry design innovation with timeless appeal. Trends in furniture and decor come and go, from sleek modern lines to industrial metal finishes, but wood remains eternal. Its versatility allows it to adapt seamlessly across styles, blending naturally with both contemporary and traditional interiors. A hand-carved walnut dining table or an oak sideboard, for example, fits effortlessly into any design trend, offering longevity that outlasts fleeting fashions. This timelessness gives handmade wooden creations not only lasting beauty, but also financial value, as quality craftsmanship continues to appreciate in demand and price. Another dimension to their investment worth is sustainability, an increasingly crucial factor in modern consumer behavior. As awareness of environmental issues grows, buyers are shifting toward eco-conscious choices that reduce waste and promote responsible sourcing. Handmade wooden furniture often aligns perfectly with these values, as many artisans choose to work with reclaimed, salvaged, or sustainably harvested timber. This approach gives new life to forgotten materials while reducing the environmental footprint of production. For many, investing in handmade woodwork is not just a design decision, it's a declaration of support for sustainability and ethical craftsmanship. The idea that beauty can coexist with responsibility resonates deeply in today's market, making such pieces all the more appealing. Moreover, the individuality of handmade items offers something that industrial production cannot: exclusivity. No two pieces of handmade wooden furniture are ever truly identical. Each bears its own unique grain pattern, texture, and energy. For homeowners, interior designers, and collectors, this uniqueness is a luxury in itself. Owning a one-of-a-kind handmade piece means possessing something with soul, something that reflects the personality of both the maker and the owner. This emotional connection elevates the value far beyond what any store-bought item can offer. In a world that increasingly celebrates personalization, handmade wooden decor stands as a symbol of individuality and identity. From an entrepreneurial perspective, handmade wooden furniture also represents one of the most promising areas for small-scale creators and artisans. The rise of online marketplaces and social media platforms has made it possible for independent woodworkers to showcase their craft to a global audience. Today's buyers crave authenticity and are willing to pay premium prices for handcrafted goods that tell a story. A handmade coffee table crafted from locally sourced wood or a decorative shelf made from reclaimed barn timber can fetch impressive returns, particularly when marketed with transparency about materials, inspiration, and process. This growing demand has turned woodworking not just into an art form, but into a sustainable business opportunity, one that rewards creativity, craftsmanship, and ethical values. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The emotional impact of handmade woodwork cannot be underestimated either. In homes filled with technology and synthetic materials, natural wooden pieces bring warmth, calm, and connection to nature. Studies have even shown that natural textures and organic materials can promote relaxation and emotional well-being. This makes handmade wooden furniture not just an investment in decor, but an investment in lifestyle, in creating living spaces that feel human, grounded, and harmonious. A handcrafted wooden lamp, a reclaimed wood headboard, or a rustic side table can transform a sterile room into a sanctuary that breathes comfort and character. Furthermore, handmade wooden decor carries cultural and historical significance. Woodworking, as one of humanity's oldest crafts, has roots that go back thousands of years. Every time a modern craftsman carves, sands, or polishes a piece of wood, they're continuing a lineage of creativity that spans generations. In a fast-moving digital age, owning or creating something handmade connects us to that tradition, to a slower, more intentional way of living. This depth of heritage and continuity adds intangible value to every piece, enhancing its worth in the eyes of collectors and connoisseurs alike. In financial terms, the appreciation of handmade furniture as an asset is becoming increasingly recognized. As mass production saturates the market, high-quality handcrafted furniture holds its value, often even increasing over time due to its durability and scarcity. Unlike cheaply manufactured alternatives that deteriorate within years, handmade wooden pieces are built to last lifetimes. Their enduring construction and design ensure they remain desirable across decades, making them both sentimental and practical investments. Collectors and design enthusiasts view them as functional art, tangible assets that retain relevance and elegance as trends shift. The beauty of investing in handmade woodwork also lies in its accessibility. You don't need to own a mansion or run an art gallery to appreciate or create it. Whether it's a small hand-carved candle holder or an elaborate dining table, each piece carries the same essence of craftsmanship and creativity. Even beginners who take up woodworking as a hobby quickly discover that their creations hold intrinsic value, not only in materials or labor, but in meaning. With time, skill, and dedication, these same individuals can turn passion projects into income streams, offering pieces that resonate with an ever-expanding audience hungry for authenticity. Ultimately, the significance of handmade wooden furniture and decor lies in its ability to bridge the gap between nature, craftsmanship, and human emotion. It transforms simple raw materials into lasting art that serves a purpose, enriching lives, beautifying homes, and promoting mindful consumption. These creations are not just furniture. They are reflections of our collective yearning for connection in a world increasingly dominated by speed and sameness. To invest in handmade wooden pieces, whether as a buyer, a collector, or a creator, is to invest in meaning, sustainability, and enduring beauty. It's about recognizing that every curve, grain, and finish carries a piece of a story, one of renewal, creativity, and balance between the human hand and the natural world. In the modern woodworking landscape, where design meets consciousness and creativity meets commerce, handmade wooden furniture isn't just decor, it's a legacy in the making, a timeless embodiment of art, passion, and purpose that continues to grow in value with every passing year. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wood furniture and decor design ideas that became the new definition of style, sustainability, and timeless craftsmanship creations that worth every penny. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.